Solar trickle chargers are invaluable tools to maintain the charge of 12-volt batteries in various vehicles and equipment by using sustainable solar energy. They ensure that batteries stay charged over periods of non-use, providing a small, steady charge without the risk of overcharging. Solar trickle chargers function by converting sunlight into electrical energy through solar panels, which is then used to trickle charge the battery. The process involves a continuous but slow charge that keeps the battery topped up and ready for use. This is especially useful in maintaining the health of 12-volt batteries in cars, RVs, boats, motorcycles, and even tractors. A typical setup includes a solar panel, a charge controller, and cables with alligator clips to connect to the battery terminals. Solar trickle chargers are versatile and can be used with a variety of battery types, including 1. Lead-acid batteries, commonly found in vehicles and are compatible with most solar trickle chargers. 1. AGM, absorbent glass mat, batteries. These are sealed batteries that are maintenance-free and good for deep cycle applications. 1. Gel batteries. Similar to AGM, they are also sealed and suitable for deep cycle use, though they require a specific charging profile. These chargers are designed with safety features like reverse polarity protection, ensuring that they can be used with these battery types without damaging the cells.